Alright, let's get into it. We've all experienced it. You're in the heat of a gaming match, and your controller just isn't cutting it. Maybe it feels a bit too rigid, or the triggers don't respond quickly enough. But what if I told you that there's a controller designed to solve these issues? No tricks, just pure, high-performance gaming. Today, we're checking out the GameSir G7 HE Xbox wired controller. So grab your snacks, because this review is full of surprises. Let's unpack this bad boy. First, we have the USB Type-C cable, durable and straightforward. You know, the type that doesn't turn into a tangled mess whenever you set it down. Then there's some documentation. Who really reads that anyway? But here's the exciting part. You get an Xbox Game Pass Ultimate code. Yes, that's right. A month of free games. A nice little perk. And here it is. The GameSir G7 HE Xbox wired controller. Right from the start, it feels top-notch. It's evident that it's built to endure. The weight and the grip give off a strong impression of quality, but the real excitement lies within. Now here's where things get exciting. This controller isn't limited to just the Xbox Series X or Xbox One. Nope, it works universally. You can use it with your Windows 10/11 PC and even on Steam. This means switching between your Xbox and your gaming PC is hassle-free. One controller to handle it all. Let's plug it in and see how it performs. But here's the cool part. The GameSir G7 HE features toggle triggers. You might be wondering, what's the fuss? Trust me, if you're a fan of first-person shooters, you'll appreciate the hair trigger mode. It allows for faster shooting and quicker reacts. It's like giving your controller an energy boost. If racing games are more your style, switch to analog trigger mode, and you'll have smooth, gradual control over the throttle. It's that simple. Now, while all these features are impressive, what truly distinguishes the GameSir G7 HE is its customization options. You can adjust it to fit your preferences, whether it's changing trigger sensitivity, reprogramming buttons, or fine-tuning the vibration feedback. This is a controller that adapts to your gameplay style. Here's the best part. The haptic feedback is phenomenal. You know how sometimes gaming can feel off with an ordinary controller? That's not the case here. It delivers realistic vibrations. Imagine tearing around a track, feeling every shift and turn. In an FPS, you'll notice the rumble when your weapon fires and the suspense while you're sneaking. It's immersive and genuinely enhances the experience. Let's take a quick look at its features. First up, magnetic swappable faceplates. That's right. Pop it off, swap it out, and you can change the look in a flash. It's the perfect way to customize your gaming setup. And those micro-switch face buttons? They're responsive. No soft, mushy feel, just accurate clicks with each press. Additionally, it has anti-friction rings and rubber-coated textured grips. This means no more sweaty palms slipping off the controller during critical moments. Plus, there's a 3.5mm headphone jack, allowing you to plug in your headset and dive deep into your game without trailing wires, not the other way around. In summary, the GameSir G7 HE Xbox wired controller isn't just another gamepad. It's a tool that genuinely elevates your gaming experience. And for a wired controller, it meets every requirement: comfort, precision, and personalization. So if you're aiming to enhance your gaming setup, this might just be the controller you've been searching for. What are your thoughts? Is this the controller you need, or what? Share your opinions in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights into the gear that enhances your gaming experience. See you next time.